What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. It's your KhalisaB, and if you are new here, thank you guys for tuning in. Today I'm showing you guys exactly how I got this cute bomb hairstyle right here. I'll let you know how many packs I use, what type of hair I use, how much it costs, and the technique I use to make it so nice and flat. I'll also be giving you guys my opinion on this hair, what I thought of it at the end of the video, so make sure you stay tuned for that as well. Before we get into it, please make sure you subscribe to my channel if this is your first time watching. If you make it to the end of the video, also make sure you turn on the notification bell so you're notified every time I upload. And don't forget to like and comment. So without further ado, let's get straight into it. So y'all, I'm starting off on braided hair. My parts are not super duper neat. Well, they're okay. I have some braids hanging back, or hanging out in the back, if you guys can see. I'm gonna go ahead and tuck these up. Now, you do not have to braid it as tight as I did. I do like for my braids to have like a nice like finish, like as far as like my roots, I like them to be laid. So I'm gonna first go ahead and start off with putting these braids in the back up. All you're gonna need for the style is crochet hair, crochet needle, a little edge control for your edges, and to go ahead and oil my scalp again first before I apply my crochet braids. I'll be using this Moisture Miracle 5 essential oil. I'm gonna go ahead and crochet these braids in the back up. This is what it looks like in the back. Just have them tucked away, so they don't have to be super perfect as long as they're tucked and away. So I'm going to be using the Afri Natural Gorgeous Passion Twist. This is in color 1B, and this is 20 inches. This is how the hair looks out of the package. Super cute. So I'm going to start by crocheting my hair in the back first. So in the back, I'm going to space them out a lot more than I would the front because I want the front to be a little fuller. You do have to unravel it one time because the loop is kind of tight. So I just want to show you guys something so your hair falls flat in the back. This is what I do. This braid, you want to go downwards to the left side. Now, I don't double loop my hair. I usually would if my braids were a little looser, but because they're so tight, I'm not. I want to pull so the hair falls down this way. The next braid, you're going to go in the opposite direction to the right. Hopefully you guys you can see my hand's not in the way. So you're going to go down this way. And you're just going to do that all throughout your hair so that your hair falls flat on your head. So you see how I have a hair piece going this way and then one going this way. And don't mind the gaps right now because I'm going to go back and fill those in later. So I'm going to continue to do this to the back of my head, and then when I get to the front, I'll show you guys. So I actually wanted to show you guys the back because I actually have to put a hat on and go somewhere really quick. But this is So this is the back. As you guys can see, there are some places where I do need to fill in, but that's not really a big deal right now. This is 3 packs right here. Each pack comes with 15 individual pieces in it. I have 2 more packs left, which is a total of 5 packs. So I might have to go back to the store and get another pack, but I will let you guys know. When I come back, I'll show you guys me actually crocheting my hair in, since I haven't really done much of that on camera. I've already done these 2 rows right here. As you guys can see, I like to have the first crochet as closest to the front, so not too close, but close enough so it still kind of looks natural like an individual. I do a finger spacing just in between each crochet, which allows the braids to kind of stagger, which also allows them to fall a little flatter than they would if you were doing back to back. This technique that I'm doing allows it to lay pretty flat. So I'm gonna go ahead and just crochet the rest of my hair on, and I'm going to show you guys as I do it. I'm not sure what big of a difference, if any difference there is, but when I crochet my braids, I like to crochet going downwards my crochet needle, and I did this throughout my whole head. So I just go down, focus. Oh, woo! Yeah, I braided these braids a little too tight. So open that loop and pull it down. And see, that's how it looks. Alright, so this is what my hair is looking like. There are a few spaces that I need to fill in. I'm going in with my last pack of hair. I'm going to fill this whole row in up here just because it's the top row. And then the little pieces that I showed you guys in the back. Alright you guys, so this is how my hair turned out. I think it turned out super cute. I love how I installed it. It's super flat at the roots, and then as you go down it gets a little bit thicker and fuller, which I actually kind of enjoy. It's day 3. I wanted to come back a few days later just to give you guys an overview of what I thought about the hair, and I will say I absolutely love this hair, although because the ends are curly like this, as you can see it's a little, I don't know, rough. It looks a little rough, or a little, I don't know what to call it, but it doesn't look too good. But I have found that applying mousse and a little bit of oil actually helps to tame it a little better. Although it does get knotted up, it helps with knotting, but it doesn't prevent it all the way. I did use 6.5 packs of hair. They are all $8.99 a pack, and they do come in different colors. I use the color 1B. Other than that, it took me, because I had to take a break, I would say it took me about an hour to install, just because I'm kind of anal when it comes to doing my hair. I like it to look as perfect as possible. So I'm pretty sure it'll take less time if you just apply and just keep it pushing. I, however, have to be very precise when it comes to my hair because I just like my hair to be a certain type of way. But other than that, it's super cute. This is day 3, like I said. Still looks really good. Your girl needs to do her edges, but I haven't. Y'all, one thing about me is I'm not really an edge type of person. Like, I like my edges to look slayed, but I don't know how to get them to look slayed. This is how they look. It stops like at, it doesn't help that I have a black shirt on, but it stops like kind of to my hip. It's super cute, super versatile. You can wear it to the side. You can do half up, half down. You can do 2 pigtails. You can really like play with this, especially the way that I installed it. It looks very cute, very natural. And even though you can notice that it's crochets at the top, the rest of the hair is not really noticeable. So with all that being said, I hope this video was very informative. If you guys still have any questions, leave them down in the comment section down below. If you like this video and you want to see more videos of me doing protective styles, make sure you leave that in the comment section as well. And thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.